This is Hiccups and Fart 2. Oh, yeah, that little... that little noise in the beginning was a fart. He showed us to everyone that's in school. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I'm no good. Oh.
Oh, I just hiccuped again. Oh, how you doing? Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I know that creeps out Taylor. Watch it.
Oh, Taylor, how are you doing?
My eyes look green right now. Don't they look green? Tell mine if they look green.
Oh.
Harmy fart. Oh, my feet are on the toilet and my head's like right here. There's my bathtub. What the frick is that? What the frick is that? That looks like boobs. Oh, what the frick is that? What the frick is that?
I asked you a question.
Ouch.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Oh, I look so pretty like this.
But I'm a case like this.
Ew. Oh. My hiccups are calming down. Like the first one, that was horrible. Like, oh my god, that was horrible. Notice anything weird about my face? You know what I do? And I'm blinking at the same time, and it's kind of weird. It feels like a horror movie, and I could see my eyes closed on my iPod, and it's like so cool. How to poop. Sorry, I'm kind of hot. No, I'm just kidding. I never done drugs before. Ever. I hate drugs. Drugs are disgusting. I haven't tried it, but you know, it's disgusting. Oh. Oh. My lips are dry. Oh. Oh, whoa, holy poop. Oh, I'm gonna go subscribe.